Every project has its challenges, and sometimes things don't go as planned. But remember, it's not how you start, it's how you finish that truly matters. In this particular case, the muddy conditions and problematic soil at this home created a unique set of challenges. Our initial plan involved using SmartJack systems to stabilize the structure, but due to the soil's conditions, we couldn't achieve the necessary upward pressure. But we don't back down from a challenge. Instead, we pivoted to a more robust solution: Stabil-Loc push piers. By replacing the SmartJacks with Stabil-Loc piers, we were able to apply the correct amount of upward pressure to the main girder. This adjustment ensures that the home's structural integrity is maintained and reinforced, giving our clients peace of mind. At the end of the day, it's about delivering results and ensuring a strong foundation for the future. It's our commitment to excellence.